Hey friends, this is Renee from Little Village Homestead, and today I'm going to show you how I make my tuna macaroni salad. We'll be right back. Friends, my water is boiling and I am going to show you how I make a quick macaroni salad. So, and I'm using shells. I'm using a whole pound box. And then I'm going to take a little bit of olive oil. Just a little bit. And now that my water's boiling, I can add a little bit of salt. And remember, that's about the only time you're going to get to season your noodles or your pasta is while they're cooking. So I got that. And I never add salt before my pans are boiling or before my water's boiling, because it will pit your metal, your stainless. This is a stainless pans. These are my Martha Stewart pans, and believe it or not, these are like, what now, I think about 5, maybe going on 6 years old now, and they're like brand new still, but I take very good care of them, and I never add any oil or spice or anything to them until after they're boiling. So we'll give that a good stir, and then I'm going to turn it down a little bit. So I got it up on medium high, so I'm going to turn it down to about medium. And I am just going to let those cook. Okay. And in here, you can see, I have got peas, onions, celery, and peppers. And then I'm going to put tuna fish in here. And I always use tuna fish in water. It's just, I love it that way. Anyway, so that's my little blend. Now this, I do it, I swear I do it different every time I do it. But this is today's blend. And there's times I put a little radish in there or cucumber. You can put anything you want in it, whatever tastes good. And my family loves it. And so this is what we're having. I'm making my husband and I kind of like a picnic style dinner tonight with my home canned baked beans and some smoked sausage and some macaroni salad. So when this is all done and ready to put together, I'll be back. Okay, I am back. And our noodles are done, so I'm going to give them a good... Ooh, that was hot. That splashed on me. I'm going to let them drain in there. Nothing in the bottom of the pan. That's going to go back on the stove. I'm just going to let them... I got to mix them around a little because the water gets trapped in some of the shells. And I love making it with shells. Now, you can make it with regular, you know, the elbow macaroni or even the small shells. But my family likes the big shells. They're good. It's a nice bite full. Alright, so those are going to drain for a few minutes while I get everything else around, and I'll be back. Okay friends, I am back and my noodles are all drained. I'm going to stick them in my pan. This is going to be good. I'm just going to break them up just a little bit. Oh, they're still steaming and hot. Okay, so, and with this, I've got, I'll tell you that in a minute. And with this, I got 3 cans of tuna fish. You know, the small cans. I got that. I'm going to mix that around. That'll help to break them all up. Let me get this a little closer if I can. There we go. Okay, now in here, I've got all my onions, my peas, my peppers, and my celery. I'm going to put that in there. And it looks like a lot, and of course it is, because that's what we like. Lots. So you can by all means put less or as much as you want, but this is what I do. Okay, now I'm going to mix that around in there. The peas were frozen, yes, before anybody has to ask, the peas were frozen, but the heat from this will definitely thaw them out nicely. And probably heat them up a little bit too. So, okay, I've got that mixed in there. So the next thing I'm going to do is I never measure anything, of course. I've told you that many times. I'm just going to throw some mayonnaise in here. We're going to start with that little bit. And we're going to start mixing that in. Actually, before I mix that all up, remember my house blend I showed you? I'm going to put, about a good tablespoon in there. That'll probably be all that I need. Anyway, I'm going to get this all mixed up. Now you can make it as creamy as you want. You can add a little Dijon mustard in this. You can add anything you want, but this is just basic, simple macaroni salad with tuna. And it smells divine. Okay, now I'm going to need a little more of this mayo. And you know, like the day after they say everything always tastes so good, you always need to add a little bit more mayo. If you've noticed, at least I notice I do, because everything soaks it right up and then it gets real dry. So I always add a little extra the next day, and everything tastes good the next day. Tastes better the next day. So anyway, that's mixing up beautifully. Look at that. Oh, this is going to go good with the smoked sausage and the baked beans. We're having a picnic tonight, my husband and I are. And it's going to be good. Okay, so I'm going to give that a little taste. And wow, that is seasoned beautifully. I don't have to add anything more to it. That is it. Okay, now I am going to take I have to find a good bowl. That only took me a second. I'm going to put this in this bowl. Doesn't that look nice? That'll make for a beautiful salad. Beautiful macaroni salad. I won't be getting all this in there, but that's alright because the last little bit's going to go in my bowl. And I'm going to enjoy some lunch. Get the mayo off my little spoon here. Okay, so there's that. I'm going to take just a little bit of parsley, and I'm going to garnish it with a little bit of parsley. And there you have it, friends. That's our tuna macaroni salad that's going to go with our picnic dinner. So there you have it. Give it a try. You'll like it. Thanks for watching.